For snap freezing, the industry uses liquefied nitrogen, which is stored in vacuum-insulated pressure vessels. While the nitrogen is extracted, the working pressure of the vessel is regulated by the HEROSE Combi Pressure Regulator. With the HEROSE valve T118, you get the perfect solution for carrying out repairs on both the pressure regulator and its check unit without long downtimes. The repairs can take place without emptying the pressure vessel, thus without any downtime. The T118 can be used intuitively while offering a high level of safety for the service technician during repair. By loosening the screw connection, the valve seat closes. The caged medium can escape via relief holes. The upper and lower body can now be separated. The upper line is closed by the T118. The repair work on the regulator or the check unit can now be carried out. After a successful repair, the valve is put back together by tightening the nut. The seat of the valve opens automatically, so that line C is also open again. The HEROSE valve T118 is a suitable supplement for all HEROSE Combi Pressure Regulators for the use of cryogenic liquefied gases. It can endure operating temperatures between -196 degrees Celsius and +60 degrees Celsius. The perfect solution when time is money.